Cool, a bunch of monster squishies. Ugh, let's hope that head doesn't pop or anything. Wow, did you notice the faces change? Wow, that's a lot of brain juice. Let's hope it goes back in. Don't eat that! Although, what harm would it do? She's already dead. Oh, good, it goes back in. Must be Stretch Armstrong's cousin from Down Under. Real Down Under. Let's just see how far we can go. Let's make him 6'3". Ooh, he's pretty stretchy too. Now who's afraid of the big bad wolf? It's gonna blow! Boom! $8 for a fake tongue? You could probably get the real thing for $4.95 a pound at the butcher's. Granted, beef tongues probably aren't this stretchy. Come to think of it. But it's Halloween. Let's think of some tricks. Here's our favorite victim. When can I make the having him for dinner joke? Oh, what a cute little baby cockroach. And remote controlled too. Let's go ruin somebody's party, especially one we're not invited to. Boo! Yeah, you better run, or our cockroach will do, something. Wait, what are you doing? Should have used a real one. Seriously, those things can survive without a head. You try to see how many treasures you can collect before you accidentally awaken our friend Inky the octopus. Or else you'll learn how Inky got his name. Boo! Let's watch this in replay. What'd you expect would happen when you touched an octopus? It's a good thing you didn't get your hand near his beak. I wouldn't mess with his treasures if I were you. Just be happy he didn't use real ink. Cool. I always say you can never have too many eyes. Cat yellow or corpse blue. A drink with candy? Yum! I'd say he should keep an eye on things. But we're talking about a guy who puts on an eye patch to read a book. At least he has good taste. Ew. $12 for a fart? Save your cash and just get some onion rings. Oh no, it's gonna blow! Of course, if Ms. Zombie likes it, it must really reek. But there's no harm in asking for a second opinion now, is there? It would seem they don't seem to like it as much, do they? And it seems we might have messed up their little Halloween party. In fairness, a Halloween party where no one's in costume ain't a party. Blood bags for drinks, and possibly blood. Although at $14, my guests can stick to red cups. Or better yet, BYOB. Bring your own blood. Anyway, what are you serving your guests? Ugh, well, smells like it could use more Eye of Newt, and maybe some lemon. Be careful, you just know everything goes right through them. Well, it's your carpet. If you have any more bags, I'll take a Mountain Dew. How many hands does a zombie need? She's already got 2 of them. Then again, they do have a habit of falling off. She's always hungry. Let's see how good they are at watching your spider necklace. Guess it needs motion to work. Somebody probably should have told him. See, I told you it pays to have some extra hands. Oh, what a creepy doll face. It's like marionette level creepy. Wow, this shirt comes with its own video. How does that work? Oh, wow. It's kind of like an animated shirt. Well, that's strategically placed. And you finally have a reading buddy. Yeah, 2 books is less trouble than reading it out loud. You know he's gonna want you to do voices. Boo! It's alive! Alive! No, wait, it's not alive. Okay, let's go find a dog to try this out on. I think that big piece goes on the bottom. Yeah, it's a perfect fit. Spider dog, does whatever a spider dog does. Can we swing from a web? Probably not, 'cause he's a dog. Honestly, anything cute that also scares people is just perfect for Halloween. Wound tattoos? Let's hope they're the temporary kind. I mean, vampires and witches I can handle, but needles? Ugh, now that's scary. Oh, good. You put it on with water. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, spooky. But these are too cool for Halloween. It's prank time. Is he gonna think a surgeon broke into his room at night? Then again, those doctor bills can sure get scary. And have a happy Halloween, everybody!